Finding high-profit products in 2026 is about combining data, AI insights, and smart sourcing strategies to identify opportunities before the competition does. The e-commerce landscape evolves fast, but the principles of profit remain the same. Buy low, sell high, and focus on products that move quickly and predictably. The first rule of finding high-profit products is data over emotion. Successful sellers don't rely on guesswork or trends they see on social media. They use tools to validate every decision. Platforms like Tactical Arbitrage, Smart Scout, and Seller Amp are essential. These tools analyze thousands of online stores in minutes, comparing prices, fees, and profit margins. You can filter by sales rank, ROI, or number of competing sellers to uncover hidden gems that most people miss. In 2026, AI sourcing assistants take this to a new level. Artificial intelligence can now predict future demand, seasonal trends, and pricing patterns using historical data. Some tools can even scrape social media or Google Trends to identify products before they peak in popularity. By combining AI prediction with real marketplace data, you can buy products before everyone else jumps in. Next, focus on categories that remain stable and profitable year after year. Health and wellness, home improvement, and sustainable lifestyle products continue to dominate. Niche categories, like eco-friendly gadgets or smart home accessories, are particularly strong because they combine innovation with consumer demand. The goal isn't to chase every trend, but to find steady, repeatable profits. When evaluating a product, look beyond the retail price. Calculate your total landed cost: product price, shipping, prep center fees, taxes, and marketplace commissions. Then determine your minimum acceptable ROI. Many sellers aim for at least 30% ROI, but fast-moving products with lower ROI can also be worth it if they sell in high volume. Keepa remains one of the most valuable tools for evaluating profitability. By reading Keepa charts, you can spot pricing stability, historical demand, and seasonal fluctuations. Avoid products that have wild price drops or high competition spikes. They often signal instability. Instead, prioritize items that show consistent demand and manageable competition. Another modern tactic is cross-market arbitrage. In 2026, global sourcing has become more accessible than ever. You can buy from overseas retailers and sell domestically, or vice versa, using AI tools to manage logistics and pricing differences. This strategy opens new profit margins, especially when currency fluctuations and regional trends align in your favor. Don't overlook brand restrictions. Before investing in a product, check whether it's gated or restricted on your chosen marketplace. Tools like Seller Amp can flag this instantly, saving you from costly mistakes. Finally, track your data over time. Build your own database of profitable products, supplier sources, and performance metrics. Over time, you'll start seeing patterns, specific categories, price ranges, or brands that consistently yield profit. This database becomes your competitive advantage. Finding high-profit products isn't about luck. It's about systems, data, and timing. In 2026, the sellers who win are those who combine technology with discipline. Let the tools do the searching, trust the numbers, and stay ahead by thinking strategically. The opportunities are still everywhere. You just have to know where to look.